The Particle Pal Pro delivers a significant breakthrough in next-generation, portable, on-site oil analysis. High-resolution digital imaging enables greater insight into the size and shape of particulate in any oil system, regardless of oil type or viscosity. Remaining oil life and water content sensors deliver on-the-spot oil analysis data for greater assurance and insight. Following its connection to a sample supply, the oil begins its journey through a high-torque stepper motor pump, delivering precise flow rates for even the most viscous of oils, up to 2,400 centistokes, and connection to a live system up to 350 bar. The digital imaging particle counter uses high-resolution color image capture, combined with advanced algorithms to sort particles into fatigue wear, cutting wear, sliding wear, and fiber identification, giving root cause analysis and ISO counts. Specific particles can be measured and analyzed in detail. Air and water droplet elimination from ISO counts ensures accurate analysis. The TAN Delta oil life sensor monitors the overall oil condition, giving unparalleled sensitivity and accuracy, drawing upon over 500 common industrial oil life profiles, also with the ability to self-calibrate. While the relative humidity sensor analyzes moisture content. Readings from all sensors are analyzed by our Oil Life software, calculating and displaying key information in a wide range of empowering infographics, charts, tables and datasets, with the ability to give average readings of specific sets of data. This data provides critical insights into remaining oil life, detailed particulate analysis and oil condition, all of which ensures you are empowered to know exactly when and why the oil needs to be changed, and in addition, what the contributing factors are. The Particle Pal Pro offers a revolution in on-site oil analysis. Visit our website to find out more.